Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic actual cost or AC. Friend, today's topic is very important and friend, if you are studying project management in university or you are planning to give exam of project PMP or project management, so friend, this is a very important topic with respect to with respect to exam point of view. Secondly, friend, if you are a professional project manager and working in any organization as a project manager, so again this is a very important topic and you must have to know that what is actual cost and how to deal it and how to calculate the performance of a project in terms of time, cost and schedule. So friend, let's just start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Actual cost or short form is AC. Friend, see, this is a topic which is directly related to project management. Okay, all the things which revolve around the all the things which basically revolve around the project management, and under the project management, it comes under the earned value analysis. So basically, see, in the main topic, main umbrella is project management, and under the project management this is a topic related to the earned value analysis, and under earned value analysis this is a subtopic of actual cost. Okay, so first of all we have to understand what is a project actually. First we will see what is project, then what is project management, then earned value, and then we will talk about actual cost. Okay, so one by one we have to see the things drill down level. Okay, then we can understand the main concept. Friend, as per the definition of PMBOK project management body of knowledge, project is a temporary thing which has a beginning and ending point and it gives you a unique output or product. That is called as a project. For example, if you are implementing e-commerce solution and you have to deliver that project within 4 months, and after 4 months the project will finish, so we will say that it is a project. Why? Because see friend, for example, if you are implementing e-commerce solution, so friend, why we will say that e-commerce is a project? Because it is temporary. Okay, why temporary? Like after 4 months the project will finish and it gives you a unique output of product, that is called as e-commerce solution. Okay, so we will say that it is a project. Why? Because it is temporary and it is giving you a unique output or product, that is called as e-commerce solution. Now friend, what is project management? Project management means friend, the tools and techniques and the procedures which we use to manage a project, that is called as the project management. Okay, so the techniques, the procedures which we use to manage a project, these are called as the project management. Best practices, standard practices, the best industry practices which we use, which are defined as per the PMBOK project management body of knowledge, these are called as project management. So friend, basically, first of all we have to understand what is project, then what is project management. Project management means the best practices, industry practices to manage a project. These are called as project management techniques. Now friend, what is the earned value concept? Because the main topic is actual cost and the actual cost pertains to the topic earned value analysis. Friend, earned value analysis means just simply think of the comparison of actual versus planned. This is called as earned value. Earned value means that what actually you have earned. For example, just take an example here friend, like you have to go from one location A to location B to meet your relative. Okay, and you have calculated that within 2 hours, if you complete cover 20 kilometers, then you can reach to meet your relative. Okay, so within 2 hours you must have to complete 20 kilometers. That means if after 1 hour when you calculate and recalculate the that how many kilometers you have calculated covered, So you realize that only 5 kilometers you have covered. However, as per the plan, you should have to cover 10 kilometers. So that means that you are behind the schedule, you are not up to the mark, and you must have to take some corrective actions so that you can come on the track. Okay friend, that is called as the concept of earned value. Earned value means that you compare the actual work versus the planned work, and then you can calculate that how much you are progressing well or not as per the planned work. Okay, so that is called as earned value. Earned, in simple sense friend, if we talk about earned means that how much you are earning actually, how much you are getting actually. So here in project management is also the same concept applies of earned value. Earn, how much is your earning, how much you are getting back actually. Okay, so that is called as the main concept, and the same concept of earning is applies on here as well, that basically you compare the actual work versus the planned work, and you calculate that how much you are getting back actually. Okay, take the same example of another example of e-commerce solution. For example, you plan that within 2 months you will complete 40 task development. For example, you plan that your planned work is that within 2 months you should have to calculate 40 tasks. You should have to complete 40 tasks of the project. After 4 months, once you evaluate the performance of project, you recognize that only 15 tasks have been completed. So however, as per the plan, after 1 month 20 tasks should have to be completed. Okay, so that means that you are behind the schedule, you are behind the cost, you are not up to the mark, and you should have to recalculate, re-evaluate, and you should have to take the corrective action so that you can get back on the track. Okay friend, so that is called as the concept of earned value here friend. So earned value friend, simply earned value means that you are comparing the actual work versus the planned work and calculating and evaluating the performance of project. That is called as the main concept of earned value. Now friend, coming to our main topic, actual cost. What is actual cost? Actual cost, also known as in project management terms, actual cost of work performed, ACWP. As you might guess, is the actual cost of the work. Generally, employee hours needs to be converted into a cost, and all project costs need to be added up, such as the following item. Friend, actual cost, simply general sense. How much in actual occur? How much? What is the actual cost? Actually, what cost occur? Like in labor, material, equipment, fixed cost item. Since most projects have these well defined via accounting or project management software, we will not go into get detail here. For the purpose of our example, let's say the actual cost of the example task is $1,000, $1,500. Friend, actual cost means that whenever we talk about actual cost, for example, um, if you are calculating the actual cost of a work, actual cost of a work means that friend, you have to add all the cost in a project. In actual cost means, like for example, the cost of labor, the cost of material, the cost of equipment, the fixed cost items, etc. So we have to add up all the cost to calculate the actual cost actually. For example, if you are implementing any particular task in a project, so friend, it doesn't mean that you will only calculate the cost of an labor cost or cost of an employee only. You have to calculate these factor also, that electricity is also uh, having a cost, the equipment which you are using, it has also the cost. If you are bringing some material from outside, it has also some cost. If any equipment or any fixed item cost also involving, so we have to calculate that cost as well. So friend, whenever we talk about actual cost, so it doesn't mean that it will only include the cost of labor or cost of employee, actually the HR cost only. It means that all the costs which involving, like the electricity, the equipment, the material cost, any fixed cost. So we have to add up all the costs to calculate the actual cost. When we add up all those costs, then we can calculate the actual cost of a task. So friend, thanks a lot for your time, and that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for your time.